We're here at Patriot Park to celebrate the opening of this magnificent facility. This is a state-of-the-art athletic facility for youth and adult sports with baseball. It's really rare, one of a kind, to have a turf baseball field and to have this many softball, baseball fields in one location. Not only help serve our community, but will help us host tournaments and other big special events here in Fairfax County. So it's a great day. We finally made it, and here we are celebrating the opening.
We're also here to celebrate the SYA opening day for their baseball season, which is a phenomenal combination of events. We had a parade, we had baseball players, we had softball players, we had children on the playground, we had people walking dogs, we had a ribbon cutting. It was a phenomenal way to spend a Saturday morning. So the Park Authority is a unique department in that we take projects from the cradle to the grave. So design, architecture, construction, project management, all the way up to right now of running and managing this park are all done and managed by Park Authority employees. They put their heart into this project. It was a phenomenal example of what we can do when we put our minds to it and with the adequate funding. But in addition to that, we made sure that we treated the land in a respectful way. We had archaeologists, we had natural resources people, planners who work with the community, with the elementary school in the neighborhood. It was a lot of different talents that came together to build this facility, and we're just so proud of all the work that they all did. So some of the unique features that we have is we're standing on the elevated press box, which allows people to watch the games and scouts to come in and scout out opponents. So we're wired for streaming capability. So if you're not able to come to your child's tournament, you can log in and watch the game from the comfort of your own home. We've got cameras. It's just a really great facility. We also have warm-up areas, which is really unique for this type of facility. And the playground. The playground is phenomenal. It's really important that when you come to a game at this facility that all of your kids have something to do. So you're playing, and then when you're waiting in between games, you can go to the playground. Or if you bring a sibling, the sibling has something to do to go to the playground. It really is a complete park experience.
Well, it's really important to the county because, a lot of our families travel long distances to go to tournaments and other events and sometimes scratch their head and wonder why we have to travel that far. Why don't we have facilities like this in the county? And this is a magnificent facility. We have great facilities all over the county, but a lot of our facilities aren't sized to host big events. And so why this is important to the county is that we can host those big events, hopefully some people closer to home. But when we're not hosting those big events, this amazing facility is available for our own kids to use all the time. And when they aren't using it, we have an opportunity to host other regional things and bring people into Fairfax County from other parts of the area just to see what a wonderful community we have here and what a great place to live and to play.